Hello and welcome back to the channel. What if your flashlight has the power of spotlight, tactical control built for high pressure situations, and still fits in your hand? Meet the Fenix TK21R, a mission-ready tactical beast blasting out 3600 lumens and reach up to 524 yards. Whether you're law enforcement, security, or first responder, or just a flashlight junkie, you're gonna want to see what this monster can do. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Alright, let's break it down. The TK21R pushes out 3600 lumens of raw power with a beam that reaches over 524 yards. That's more than 4 football field of night domination. It uses luminous SFT90 LED with a 50,000 hour lifespan. Yep, you heard me right, 50,000 hours lifespan. And runs on 6000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable replaceable battery. That'll give you 72 hours and 30 minutes of runtime on the low mode. Basically 3 full days of continuous lighting. Charging is quick and secure via USB-C, hitting under a twist to reveal color for added protection, helping the TK21R maintain its full IP68 water and dust proof rating. And it can withstand a drop from 1 meter. So no matter what the world throws at you, this flashlight is right. This may sound similar to the TK20R version 2, Fenix's most popular tactical flashlight, but we'll get into that later. Now let's talk nighttime performance, because this bad boy shines. Burst mode is 3600 lumens with 524 yard throw and can run for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Great to light up buildings, fields, trees, basically everything. High mode is 1000 lumens with 284 yard throw and 3 hours and 30 minutes of runtime. Great for patrols, search, or wide path lighting. Medium mode is 350 lumens with 164 yard throw and can run for 7 hours and 30 minutes. Perfect for dog walks or checking your property at night. Low mode is 30 lumens with 49 yard throw and can run for 72 hours and 30 minutes. Great for preserving your night vision or extended use when you're stranded and not able to recharge. And let's not forget about strobe mode. It's 3000 lumens, excellent for self-defense or signaling in case of an emergency. And now let's see what comes in the box. The TK21R flashlight, a tactical holster, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, 2 spare O-rings, and the manual. Basically everything you need to get started right out of the box. And if we're gonna talk about the design, this thing means business. It's built from A6160 T6 aluminum. Its aircraft created toughness and coated in matte black non-reflective finish. It's stealth, durable, and made for real-world abuse. Up front, you've got glass break and striped bezels, great for emergency or self-defense. On the tail end, dual tactical switches. The large switch is the tactical switch. To turn it on or instant burst, press it for full power anytime. The small switch is the functional switch to handle mood cycling and strobe activation. Both are differently textured and sized, so you can operate it by feel, even with the gloves on. Weight and size are crucial for tactical situations, and this bad boy is a little over 6 inches long and weighs less than 8 ounces. And yes, it clips to your belt or bag with the metal clip, or rides comfortably in the included holster, because a quick draw is a necessity. And as far as what powers this beast, a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It delivers long runtime over 72 hours, fast charges, and it's replaceable, so you're never stuck waiting. And to recharge it, just twist the neck to reveal the USB-C charging port, plus the battery level indicator on the opposite side, so you always know how much juice left. While the TK21R shares a lot of similarity with the TK20R version 2, Fenix introduced some meaningful upgrades. The TK21R boosts maximum brightness from 3000 to 3600 lumens, and increasing the beam throw from 519 to 524 yards. And offer extended runtime thanks to its high-capacity 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. These improvements make the TK21R a compelling upgrade if you're serious about performance. And now, for the operation guide. Press the tactical switch, the big one, to turn it on. It remembers the last mode you were on thanks to its smart memory. Tap the functional switch to cycle through the output levels. Low, mid, high, burst, and back to low. Full press the tactical switch again to turn it off. Need momentarily on? Just half press the tactical switch and hold. It will be on the last output level that you were using. If you want instant burst, full press and hold the tactical switch for half a second. Doesn't matter if the flashlight is on or off, you will get full power. For momentarily strobe, press and hold the functional switch while the flashlight is off. Once you release it, it will turn off. To activate strobe mode while the flashlight is on, press and hold the functional switch for half a second, and to exit strobe mode, press any button. Alright, let's recap Now let's be real for a minute. What do we all want in a tactical flashlight? High output when you want it the most, easy to use with one hand, durable that can take any beating, and can run for a long time. And the TK21R can deliver on all of that. From instant burst mode to IP68 water and dust proof, and can withstand 1 meter impact, and a 6000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable replaceable battery. To 72 hours runtime that you can charge it really fast thanks to its USB Type-C charge port. This is the kind of flashlight you can rely on, whether you're on duty, off the grid, or anywhere in between. And honestly, I love that everything can be done with a single hand and a single finger. Thinking about grabbing the TK20R version 2? Maybe hold on and check out the TK21R before you hit that buy button. And if you already own a TK20R version 2, should you upgrade? If you're serious about performance, then yeah, the TK21R is definitely worth a look. More power, more throw, better runtime. It's a solid step up for anyone who wants to take things to the next level. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.